Hello everyone guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to copy folder and file names paths in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to copy folder and file names paths in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so we'll easy first click on this PC and select your method. After click on copy path, that is. And open Chrome browser, any your browser. After open MS Word and paste your subject, that is. So guys, very simple and easy method if you want to copy folder and file names paths in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.